sisekhona ke la ku Youth Month Festival siyabonga sangwena endaweni yaseSakamthetho eDondotha la duze kwami kunokapteni kwamalady okuyena ke ukuyibona ke abadle umhlanganiso dadewethu yaphela
Ngaphila.
futhi bani igama sibonga
Ngulerato amanukuzi.
Mnukuzi okay budlalela yiphi isikole
Bengidlalela iNtongandi Secondary School.
okay ukhona hlala khona la around
Cha, ngihlala eCrossing eRichards Bay.
oh okay so how was your journey kusukela nje nisaqualify ukuthi nidlale for isibonga sangweni nafika naqala your first game nadlala nafika kuma finals
Ishempeleni bekunzima kakhulu kwakukona nje ukuthi sifike la besingayilungiselelanga kodwa besijimile. Besinesho ukuthi mangathiwa siyangena sizobuya nayo. It's either sithatha number 1 noma sithatha number 2. Kodwa besingayilungiselele kwezinye izinto besilungiselele kwi-fitness. Yes. Besingakhona ukumelana namagame namhlanje njengoba sikhonile ukumelana namagame namhlanje.
Okay I know ukuthi uma usuzodlala egroundini because you need to prepare yourself harder than isikhathi ozosidlala ngoba usungazi ukuthi weather yobe njani ngalolu langa ungazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani abanye bavela baphethwa amajaqamba besisanda kuqala so nimele nje kanjani nina as a team ukuthi nibambe sokela ekuqaleni nize niyofika ekutheni niwine nama finals like how did you train yourself
Gym ashawumgaqo 10 kilometers silungiselele because vele bese kubhala besigijima nje kuphela senzele fitness ibhola siyalazi ibhola hleli sidlala so ukuthi bokungukuthi imele sakhe imizimba yethu ukuthi hayi khona ukumelana namagame namhlanje.
Wait, to in closure, I'd like to say congratulations ukuthi niwenile mhlambe just a vote of thanks to everyone obukele njengamanje abazali abanisupportile othisha umphakathi ongakini umphakathi okhayela isikole wonke umuntu nje
ngithanda ukuqala ngibonge nje abalanga ngaphandle abebe ngama supporters nama mails asesikoleni akhonile ukusuka ngoba bese kubhedile kubo bakhethe ukuzosupport osisibabo nalokho kukhulu nabasibukelayo nabasibonayo njengamanje ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ngibonge nakubhuti siya ukuthi size sibe la nje ngenxa yakhe yes
event njengale yafisa ukuthi iqhubeke
ngiyafisa ukuthi iqhubeke because khona abasezemva kwethu nathi futhi siyafisa ukukhula yes kukhona nathi sibukela kuba abadlali hle sibabuka ko TV ko TNL so siyafisa ukuyibona sidlala ko TNL nathi sifane nabo njengabhuti siya bafanele
okay yes. So by role model yakho wena
uthale mathi udlalela ama-Firebonds aseGoli.
Oh that's nice yes. Thank you very much for your time sisifisela kuhle kodwa
thank you so much
sure.